Welcome everyone, my name is Kunji and this is Cooking with Kunji. Tonight I'm doing something different. I'm making an ESCOVITCH pickle for fried fish, and that's a beautiful dry fried fish that you see at the Jamaican restaurants or on the internet. And I've never made this pickle before. I've inquired. So this of course involves a variety of hot and sweet peppers and some carrots, onions, garlic, and some allspice. We're gonna make this. Now in a future video I'm gonna do the ESCOVITCH fish and serve it with this pickle so you guys can see how I make this. I'm trying to not cross-contaminate the spicy pickle with the mild pickle that I'm gonna do. So if you're making this pickle and you're making it spicy, you kind of want to cut your sweet peppers and your onions and your carrots first, and then you'll do your hot peppers like your habanero and your jalapeno closer to the end or at the end. If this is a pickle that you will make, of course you can make your peppers any size, any shape that you want, but traditionally the sweet peppers are cut lengthwise. That's kind of along the grain of that pepper. The carrots are lengthwise, and then the hot peppers like the habanero, since you're keeping all the seeds to get that heat, you want to cut those crosswise and get that nice colorful shape to them. I'm gonna make two different varieties. One spicy, that's gonna have some habanero in it. I do not have traditional Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, so the habanero is like the next best thing. So probably a little bit hotter than Scotch bonnet. Right now I have all my veggies cut up. I have my sweet peppers, onions, I have red onions, yellow onions, some red and green jalapenos, some carrots, and some French fries cut up, and some garlic. This is gonna go along with some pimento berries or allspice berries, as you'll see them in the store. It's gonna be some plain old distilled vinegar in my mason jars. What I'm gonna do is let these sit for about a week or more. Let those veggies really start to break down and make that pickle. And at that time, I will make the fried fish to prepare this ESCOVITCH fish. So right now I have all my veggies packed in, and I'm just gonna go ahead and like any other pickle, pour in my vinegar. I ran out of regular vinegar, so what I'm gonna do, I have some apple cider vinegar on hand, and I'm gonna, for one of the pickles, and for this one, I'm not gonna use a full jar of apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna use a little bit more than half and then just fill the rest with some water. The apple cider vinegar is a little bit more harsh than regular white cane vinegar. So as I said, I've never made pickle before, so this will be an interesting experiment. So that's it for this video. What I'm going to do is on the next episode or one right after that, I'm gonna make the fish, and I'm gonna serve that ESCOVITCH fish with this beautiful pickle. Stay tuned for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next one.